Welcome, boys of class 7. Hope that all of you are fine. We have already completed our syllabus, and I know that all of you have started revising the chapters and taking preparation for the exam which gonna be held on next month after the Eid vacation. So for that, I'm giving a sample question answer, creative question answer to you, and I'm making this question on chapter 4. So boys, let us start today's class. Here is the creative question. Category of two type crops, A and B, and the characteristics of the crops are: A, attack of diseases and pest possibilities is more, and B, needs irrigation. So there are two types crops. Now let us look out the question. A, what is a hailstorm? B, why maize is called light loving plant? C, describe the season's aspect and characteristics of crop A, and D, analyze the influence of heat on crop B according to your book. Now let us start the answer. First, the question number A, what is hailstorm? As we know, this question is having 1 mark only, so here is only one knowledge part, that is knowledge, and we will try to make answer in one line, or the main information we should provide in that statement. Okay, so when the rain drops in the shape of ice balls, it is called hailstorm. So that is for 1 mark. That is what is hailstorm. Only the definition of the hailstorm should be here. Now in question number B, why maize is called light loving plant? Now here we know it is 2 marks question, so it has 2 parts. One is for knowledge, another one is for realizing part. Yes, so we have to answer that 2 part. Now the knowledge part is which plants are called light loving plants, that we have to define in knowledge part. So plant which grows well in sunlight is known as light loving plants. Now we have to answer the second part, that is realizing part or understanding part, that is why maize is called light loving plant. Now maize is a type of plant which grows well in sunlight, that means it's need much light for its production. So maize is called light loving plants. So here 2 parts, and we have to answer both of the parts. Boys, you have to realize which one is knowledge part and which one is understanding or realizing part in B question. So here 2 marks question, so 2 part we have answered 2 part. Now question number C, describe the season's aspect and characteristics of crop A, and we know it is 3 marks question, so 3 part here: knowledge, understanding, and application. Yes, knowledge, understanding, and application. So first of all we have to answer the knowledge part, and that is from stem it is clear that the season for growing crop A is Kharif. That means from which season this crop A belongs to, that is knowledge part. Now we have to define what is Kharif, that is realization part. Time duration between Chaitra to Bhadra and in Bangla month is Kharif season. Crops which spend full or most of the Kharif season for their physical growth, blossom, and fructification is known as Kharif season crops. Example: sweet gourd, watermelon, reed gourd, ash gourd, etc. So that's complete our realization part. Now application part, that means characteristics and aspect of Kharif season. Now let us know the aspect of characteristics of Kharif season. First of all, temperature is high because the time duration or the mentioned time for Kharif. Already we got to know that there is summer season in our country, so and that's the portion. It is too much sunlight and hotness is much. That is why temperature is high. Is a basic characteristic of Kharif season. Heavy rainfall, because in the last part or last few months of Kharif season that belongs to rainy season, and there are too much rain on that time duration. So heavy rainfall is another characteristic of Kharif season. Humidity relatively high, as there is so much sunlight, hotness, and rainfall is available. So humidity should be high on that in the environment. Water vapor is very much in the air. That is why humidity is high. Storms possibility is more because rainfall, and sometimes that very much hotness creates storms. More fear of hailstorm. Basically it is happened during Boishakh and the last of Chaitra, which is basically known as nor'wester storm, and that storm, hailstorm happening. Flood attack is more because of heavy rainfall. Disease and pest hazard is more on that portion. Disease and pest attack the crops. Less necessary of irrigation, as because there is so much rainfall, so that shouldn't need any extra irrigation. Daytime is longer than or equal to night time, so that is why it is called day long day plant. And this is how the characteristics of Kharif season. Crops which need high temperature and less night time grow in this season. So the last portion was actually application of Kharif season. So here we have 1 mark. So these 3 part I mentioned, and the 3 part answer, if you write properly, then you will have 3 mark out of 3. Now the last question, that is question D. Analyze the influence of heat on crop B according to your book. That means it is 4 mark question, and there are 4 part in this question. Number 1, knowledge part. Number 2, realization part. Number 3, application. And number 4, higher order. So first of all, I am answering knowledge part of this question, as this crop B belongs to Rabi season. That is the answer of knowledge part. Now second, realization part. That means the definition of Rabi season. The time Rabi season crops. The time duration between Ashwin to Falgun or Bangla month is Rabi season. Crops which spend full or most of the Rabi season for its physical growth, blossom and fructification is called Rabi crops. Example: radish, cabbage, potatoes, carrot, etc. Now the application, that means what are the main things that is influence on crop production of B. From aspect and characteristics of Rabi crops, it is clear that it is grow better on low temperature. The influence of heat and light on Rabi crops defined below. So it is better to grow on low temperature. Now we have to see the influence of heat and light, because not only sunlight is responsible, or also, that makes also heat, hotness, that is also influence our crop production. So let us see the heat and light effect on crops production, on Rabi crops. Rabi crops require less night time, so low light is better for this type of crops. They actually need less than 12 hours daytime to grow flower and fruit. Much light is harmful for them. Actually, in application part, we have mentioned heat and light they need for and how much they need, this total becomes application and higher order. That means description about heat and light influence, heat and light's influence on Rabi crops, that is application and higher order part. Now, Rabi crops grow better in low light. This is why they are called cool season crops. For their growth, minimum temperature is 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, optimum temperature is 25 to 31 degrees Celsius, and maximum temperature is 31 to 37 degrees Celsius. So here we have find the influence of heat and light on Rabi crops. That means if we want more production, we have to give less heat on Rabi crops, and the temperature also should be less. So that is how we can have much production from Rabi crops, and that is the influence of heat on Rabi crops. So for better growth of Rabi crops, heat and light's influence is necessary and need to maintain the light, time and temperature. So boys, that was actually the answer of D, and if you maintain these portions or part, then you will have full mark on each creative questions. So today we will finish here, and next lesson we will do another creative answer on another lesson. Okay boys, be safe and prepare for your exams.